So hello everyone, today we are going to write the code on how to find the factorial of a number in Python. So let's see what is a factorial. A factorial is the multiple of all the factors of that number. So the factorial of 4 would be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. These are the factors which would multiply and give the factorial of that number. So let's write the code. Let a number is equals to 5. Now let's take a variable that we are going to use to store the factorial of that number. The factorial is equals to 1. We will take it as equals to 1 because we want to multiply all these numbers. So it would be 1. Now run a for loop for I in range 1 to 6 or num plus 1. So we have already taken num as equals to 5. So here fact is equals to fact into I. So this will give the factorial. Now print the result. Let's run this code. If it's work, yeah, it's 120. The factorial of 5 is 120. So we have done the program on factorial. Have a nice day. Thank you.